Today was just wild. Like, gold decided to break all-time highs 2 times just today, drop a very good amount of pips, and continue the uptrend, even though we had some mixed data for USA. Well, more than mixed, it's very bad, but in general, also Powell testifying and all of that created the volatility at some points, like this spike. But the reality is that gold is very bullish. So let's break down let me show you the trades or the profits of the EA of some accounts. It's 7%. It's not today, these are combined with February trades, but for example, the withdrawals are the only, are the February profits, we could say. So the leftover is the today profits. So this one was in a higher level of trading than the other ones. This was 31k and 21. So what I did was to inverse the ones that had the biggest withdrawal. I put them with less risk, so I could push more the ones with less profit. So I could keep, because I already have that. I mean, I withdraw to keep them, to keep that money safe. So my average versus the profit and the risk that I'm taking is very solid. And really, as expected and as previewed in yesterday analysis for Xauusd, as soon as gold decided to break the all-time high, let's go to the 4-hour. As soon as it touched this area, a lot of sellers will be already in because of the trap or this was a very bad spike to really hold trades or to set some buy limits, because it was a spike that delivered a huge amount of retracement. Because as you can see here, what we have is a very healthy uptrend. We don't have major retracements. Like, these are very healthy. These are mainly exchanges closing and session changing, but the overall trend of gold and the bullishness is already there. This was only a matter of hours, an hour's move, and we have here a very sustained bullish trend. So the volatility at the market open was expected for me. Well, not at the market open, but at the all-time high touch, because sellers will be showing pressure, at least for some scalps, some quick exits. And that's where I took positions with the Algo. I started some Algos yesterday, and we took positions around this area. Like, we topped here. I stopped EA for this last push. I mainly TP'd here. Zoom in. I mainly TP'd. This is a mess. I mainly TP'd here in this area. So this push, I'm not in. I already told all the clients, tell them to turn off EAs, because tomorrow we have more Powell, some unemployment claims, and we have Friday with NFP. So today chasing the market was the correct approach, and the risk is better, we could say better risk reward compared to the other days, because we want the volatility, but we don't want to be trapped in it. So a very healthy move. We managed to not be here trapped in 43 like the FTMO account that I already also break down the 5% made with 1.4 or 1.45% drawdown, very clean. So that also managed to not play some trades here, but managed to not take positions in this spike, mainly the markets open. And also here we also avoid, we close here with FTMO and we avoided this range. This also is another market open, and we traded here mainly, I think I started around Asia, way before London. So I took some trades here, I positioned here, so it was a very clean trading day. And for now, well, I'm working with a 5k strategy. This of course looks awful. I need to work with the strategy in general. For example, this one already blew. I'm working for we could say a special requirement for a client that it's requiring 500. He cannot use cent account. So I'm gonna do what I can to deliver some sauce, you know? So that will be it. I'll leave the channel updates for the algo in the description, so you know that the EA is working daily, or at least consistently. It's not that I always push the market. I do it when I find good opportunities and let know the clients or the owners of the EAs when is the best time to start basing their risk approach and profit and all of that. Have a good day.